All right, so how do we find the volume of a pyramid? Well, here's a pyramid, and we're going to see how we go about finding the volume. First thing that we have to do is we have to know what our formula is. So the volume is going to be equal to 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So in this case, you can see we have a rectangular base. So we're going to have to find the area of that base. That's what this capital B stands for. So in this case, our capital B is going to be the length times the width because we have a rectangle. So the area of the base is going to be 30 times 20. So the area of our base is going to be 600 meters squared. Okay, so now we know what the area of the base is. Okay, so all of this is used to find that capital B. And now we've done that. So let's just group this together, and we're just going to stick it over here on the side. We'll come back to that later. So now we can substitute that in to find the volume of our pyramid. Our volume is going to be equal to 1/3. Now the area of the base we figured out is 600 meters squared times the height of our pyramid. Now the height of the pyramid is what you see there in red. Not to be confused with the slant height, which would be the height of one side of the pyramid that you see here in green. So those are two different things. We're dealing with the height of the pyramid, which is the perpendicular height, which in this case is 15 meters. So at this point, we can take 1/3 of 600, which would be 200. So we're going to have 200 meters squared times 15 meters. And now we can multiply that out. So we're going to end up with a total of 3,000 meters cubed. Now remember, meters squared times meters is going to give you meters cubed, because the exponents, you remember, we're multiplying this, which is m squared times m to the first. And you remember what you do with that. It's really kind of like adding the exponents. So the volume of this pyramid is going to be 300 cubic meters. I'm sorry, 3,000 cubic meters.